How to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. So if you want to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video, then what you need to do is first open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, you just need to simply go with a new project. After that, go with photos and then simply select a photo. So for example, I'll be choosing a random photo. Once you've chosen, tap on add, which is on the bottom right. And once you've chosen the photo, what you need to do is just simply go with the audio section, which is on the bottom left, and then go with sounds. And you can simply add any sound that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing a sound. Tap on download and then add that sound. And once you tap on download, it will start downloading. And once it's downloaded, you just need to simply go with the plus option, which is on the right side, and the audio will be added, right? So you can simply select the part of the audio that you would like to add. So I'll be choosing just a few seconds. And after that, you can trim the excess. Now, once you've done with that, you'll have this kind of interface. So this photo has been converted to a video. As you can see, it is of 2 seconds. Or you can also enlarge it if you want to. You can make 4 seconds, 5 seconds, or any seconds that you're comfortable with. And once you've done with that, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that export option, and then tap on export. And once you tap on export, it will be exported and saved to your gallery. And in this way, you'll be able to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.